Drink to Moments Motivational Videotape. Our focus is on important content rebuilding yourself. Life frequently presents us with challenges that may leave us feeling shattered or directionless. Still, each of these difficulties holds a chance for growth and metamorphosis. Join us as we claw into the way you can take to reconstruct yourself into a stronger, more flexible interpretation of who you are. 1. Face the need for change. The first step in transubstantiating yourself is to admit that change is necessary. Accept that you're not where you want to be, whether emotionally, mentally, or physically. Embrace this acknowledgement as the morning of your trip. Denial only extends your discomfort, but acceptance empowers you to take action and move forward. 2. Reflect on your current situation. Set away time to suppose about your life and what has brought you to this point. Identify the specific areas where you feel change is demanded. Consider your gests, opinions, and actions. Journaling or agitating with a trusted friend or tutor can help clarify these aspects and lay the route for your metamorphosis process. 3. Set clear and achievable pretensions. Once you've pinpointed areas for enhancement, establish clear, attainable pretensions. Ensure these pretensions are specific, measurable, attainable, applicable, and time-bound. Smart. Begin with small, manageable tasks to make instigation. Also gradationally take on larger challenges. Setting pretensions provides direction and purpose, helping you stay focused as you work on rebuilding yourself. 4. Cultivate a positive mindset. Maintaining a positive mindset is essential for particular growth. Focus on what you can control and release what you cannot. Regularly exercise gratefulness and admit your progress, still minor. Compass yourself with probative, positive individualities who encourage you. Offset negative studies with declarations that support your tone, worth, and capacities. 5. Build new habits. Habits significantly impact our lives. Identify the habits that may be holding you back and concentrate on replacing them with positive bones. This could involve espousing a healthier life, acquiring new chops, or literacy stress operation ways. Flashback. Erecting new habits is a gradational process that requires thickness and tolerance. Aim for progress rather than perfection. 6. Seek support and guidance. Seeking help from others can be incredibly salutary. Whether you turn to a tutor, counselor, or support group, having someone to guide you through your trip can give precious perceptivity, stimulant, and responsibility. This support can help you stay on course and navigate challenges more effectively. 7. Embrace failure as a learning occasion. Failure is an ineluctable part of growth. Rather than stewing it, view failure as a chance to learn. Dissect what went wrong, prize the assignments, and apply them to unborn trials. Structure adaptability involves prostrating lapses, and each failure brings you near to success. 8. Stay married to your trip. Rebuilding yourself is an ongoing trouble, not a one-time task. Remain committed to your trip indeed when facing obstacles. Regularly review your pretensions, celebrate your progress, and acclimate your strategies as demanded. Continuity and fidelity are essential for long-term success. 9. Nurture your well-being. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and internal health is vital during your reconditioning process. Engage in conditioning that bring you joy and relaxation. Exercise tone. Care through exercise, healthy eating, and awareness. A balanced well-being will support your sweats and enhance your adaptability. 10. Fantasize your success. Eventually, fantasize the person you aspire to become. Imagine yourself achieving your pretensions and living the life you want. Visualization strengthens your provocation and reinforces your commitment to your trip. Keep this vision at the van of your mind as a source of alleviation and drive. 11. Practice self-compassion. Tone. Compassion is a vital aspect of rebuilding yourself. Be kind to yourself during moments of struggle or failure. Avoid harsh tone. Review and rather treat yourself with the same understanding and empathy you would offer a friend. Tone. Compassion helps to make adaptability and encourages you to keep moving forward. Indeed, when effects get tough. 12. Embrace change as a growth occasion. Rebuilding yourself frequently involves embracing change. Change can be dispiriting, but it's also an occasion for growth. View changes in your life as stepping monuments rather than obstacles. By accepting and conforming to change, you open yourself up to new possibilities and jests that can enrich your trip. 13. Cultivate approbative terrain. Creating approbative terrain is pivotal for your reconditioning process. Compass yourself with people who hoist and encourage you. Figure connections with those who inspire and motivate you, and distance yourself from negativity. A positive terrain fosters growth and reinforces your commitment to particular development. 14. Practice awareness and reflection. Awareness and reflection are important tools for tone reconditioning. Exercise awareness to stay present and concentrated on your pretensions. Reflect regularly on your progress and jests. This tone mindfulness helps you understand your growth, identify areas for enhancement, and make informed opinions about your trip. 15. Celebrate mileposts. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may feel. Fatting and celebrating mileposts keeps you motivated and reinforces your progress. Each corner reached is a testament to your sweats and fidelity, and it provides stimulant to continue pursuing your pretensions. 16. Acclimatize and evolve. As you rebuild yourself, be prepared to acclimatize and evolve. Your pretensions and precedences may change over time, and that is okay. Stay flexible and open to new openings. Embracing elaboration as part of your trip allows you to continuously grow and acclimatize to the changing circumstances in your life. 17. Invest in personal development. Investing in particular development is crucial to rebuilding yourself. Seek out courses, or shops that enhance your chops and knowledge. Particular development not only boosts your confidence, but also equips you with the tools demanded to navigate challenges and achieve your pretensions. 18. Exercise tolerance and continuity. Rebuilding yourself is a process that takes time. Exercise tolerance and continuity throughout your trip. Understand that progress may be gradational and lapses are a natural part of the process. Stay married to your pretensions and trust that your sweats will lead to meaningful change. 19. Stay concentrated on your vision. Keep your vision and pretensions at the van of your mind. Remind yourself regularly of why you embarked on this trip of reconditioning. Staying concentrated on your vision provides direction and purpose, helping you overcome obstacles and stay motivated along the way. 20. Reflect on your growth. Periodically reflect on the progress you've made. Look back at where you started and admit how far you've come. Reflecting on your growth reinforces your achievements and provides a sense of accomplishment. It also helps you appreciate the trouble and adaptability you've demonstrated throughout your trip. 21. Embrace self-discovery. Tone. Discovery is an essential part of rebuilding yourself. Take time to explore your heartstrings, values, and strengths. Engage in conditioning that help you understand who you're and what truly motivates you. Tone. Discovery provides clarity and helps you align your pretensions with your authentic tone. 22. Develop emotional intelligence. Developing emotional intelligence is pivotal for particular growth. Learn to fate and manage your feelings and practice empathy towards others. Emotional intelligence enhances your connections, decision timber, and overall well-being, supporting your trip of rebuilding yourself. 23. Produce a vision board. A vision board can be an important tool for imaging and achieving your pretensions. Collect images, quotations, and symbols that represent your borns and dreams. Display them prominently to keep your vision in focus and inspire you daily as you work towards rebuilding yourself. 24. Learn from role models. Identify part models who embody the rates and achievements you aspire to. Study their peregrinations, learn from their jests, and apply their strategies to your own life. Part models can give precious perceptivity and motivate you to overcome challenges and achieve your pretensions. 25. Exercise gratitude. Gratitude is an important practice that can shift your perspective and enhance your reconditioning trip. Regularly admit and appreciate the positive aspects of your life, no matter how small. Gratitude fosters a positive mindset and helps you stay focused on your progress and growth. 26. Set boundaries. Setting healthy boundaries is pivotal for your well-being and particular growth. Learn to say no when necessary and cover your time and energy. Establishing boundaries ensures that you prioritize your requirements and maintain a balanced and productive approach to rebuilding yourself. 27. Seek feedback. Formative feedback from trusted sources can give precious perceptivity into your strengths and areas for enhancement. Laboriously seek feedback from instructors, peers, or associates, and use it to upgrade your strategies and enhance your sweats. Feedback is a tool for growth and development. 28. Stay curious and open-minded. Cultivate curiosity and an open mind throughout your reconditioning process. Embrace new gests, ideas, and perspectives. Staying curious and open-inclined allows you to acclimatize to changes, explore new openings, and continuously learn and grow. 29. Embody adaptability. Adaptability is the capability to bounce back from adversity and keep moving forward despite challenges. Embrace lapses as openings for growth and maintain a positive station indeed in delicate times. Structure adaptability strengthens your capacity to handle unborn challenges and lapses. 30. Celebrate your trip. Eventually, celebrate your trip, not just the destination. Acknowledge and appreciate the trouble, growth, and metamorphosis you've endured along the way. Celebrating your trip reinforces your achievements and motivates you to continue pursuing your pretensions with enthusiasm and determination. Rebuilding yourself is a multifaceted trip that involves tone discovery, growth, and non-stop enhancement. By incorporating these practices into your life, you can navigate the challenges, grasp openings, and produce a fulfilling and empowered interpretation of yourself. Thank you for watching this video. However, please like, share, if you set up it precious. Keep seeking for greatness, and see you in the coming videotape.